World is Siddharth and I'm back with another video. Basically it's the continuation of previous one. Like we were loading in our dataset, now we need to normalize the dataset, like resizing and cropping it, and so that we can feed it to our network, machine learning network. So let's making up the environment. Okay, let's get started with this. So we are gonna create another function. So def resize. I want to set input image. Okay, so it's been a few days since I've looked at this code, and I've jumped right straight. I've jumped straight through in. Like I don't know. Is this a correct variable or what? Okay, it's right. It's correct. Okay. Oh, it becomes confusing at the start. Real image. Okay, real image. Let's go to height. GHD. So then. I seriously don't remember did I create these things or not, these parameters. I'm just gonna la 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 la. Okay, these are the parameters. Now pass height, then we need width. Need that. Then we need input image equals to tf.resize. So over here, so TensorFlow created a sort of resizing function, like using tf.image. So you're taking the image function from the TensorFlow, then you're passing your input image and height and width, and also the method through which you're gonna resize it, and then it will do the rest of the thing. The TensorFlow will take care of all of that stuff. So input image. So when I set that into a list of array, basically an array, which works. And basically, I forgot to tell you one thing, that why do we do this, like colon, then comma, colon, w, then comma, then colon, just to tell our machine that this photo has an interval of gap after this index, like index 1, index 2, index w, then index the third index. So at index w there's a partition of real image, this real image, and there's a partition at the right side of the between the input and the real image. So can slice and dice that and show me in this format. So that's what it does, I guess. Yeah, as far as I know about this is what it does. If someone knows what it does, actually, please let me know. So method is not a local variable. You need to, it's a function. You need to spell the way I'm writing it. Resize method. Okay, resize method dot nearest neighbor. What does this mean? Okay, let's clear this. Oh, sorry. Why? I don't know why each and every time like is neighbor. Okay. So nearest neighbor. Okay, let's just find an answer from Google. Google is our best friend. He knows everything what we don't know, basically. So yeah. What means important form? Okay, let's use. Okay, so let's say what it does. Let's see what it does. Okay. Why the heck you don't show what the purpose is? Come on, I hate it. Okay, let's just see. Go to parameters as well. Image size, corners, name wise. Okay. Basically, it resizes the. Okay, got it. So basically, it resizes. We are choosing a resize method named nearest neighbor, which will resize the image into the given image height and image width. That's what it does. Okay. See, This is how you do programming. Like wherever you find out, Google it. That's why Google is there. It's there for you. It's providing you a service. Use it, and on top of that, it's free. Yeah. So I'm just gonna copy and paste that. Not gonna waste my time. Yep. Good. And real image. Height, width gonna be the same. Then I wanna say I wanna return input image and real image. Yeah, looks good to me. Let's see if we don't have any errors. Okay, we don't have any errors. So I'm gonna say random crop. So basically we're gonna crop our images using this function. So input image real image, and then what do we want? We need stacked image. Like we need in a bunch, right? Like 4 3 2, basically in a pile. 4 3 set, like 3 images 1 set, 4 images 1 set. That's the format we want. Image equals tf.stack. Okay, then I want to store that into a list of array. No, just a array list. Image. Then I'm gonna say real image equals to access 0. I'm gonna explain you what this thing means in a moment. I just finish writing this. I want to say cropped image is equals to tf dot image. Just spell this correctly. Small. There's no capitalization over here. Image. So the first layer should be small. It's a function of TensorFlow. You can manipulate it. Control your own bunches if you have it in you. Like the mistake, like random with capital start, not gonna work. It's not gonna work. So spell it correctly. Random crop. Then store it. Stack. Stacked. Let's say stacked image, or yeah, stack image, or image. Let's say stack image. Then let's set up the size. So most probably this is a function, not a local variable. Yeah, it's a local variable. It's a function. Size equals to 2. Then let's say image height. I'm just gonna copy and paste that. Image height. It should be correct. It should be spelled correct. Then image width. Okay, so image width. Set that to 3. And say 3. So return cropped image 0. Cropped image to 1. No, it does not show any, and it just don't. Okay, it should work. So def normalize. Now here comes the fun part. We are gonna normalize our input image and our real image. Input image to real image. Okay, then we need input image equals to input image divided by 127.5. See, I haven't memorized this value. I'm just looking through the reference. Okay, I'm not Mr. Remember, so it's a waste of time to copy this. Like the code that I was going to copy, but yeah. Real image. So real image 127.5 minus 1 should be good. That's done. Then we'll say return input image. Not in this way. Image real image. Let's say run that. Then we're gonna create a tf function. So give it add rate tf function. Function. That's when I'll go there. That's a random jitter. Let me just write this real quick, and then I'll tell you what does this mean. What this means, I'll tell you in a moment. Wait, keep patience. Don't go. Look at the code. Try to understand on your own. Then, if you don't understand, comment me below. I'll tell you. Or if you wanna like explanation of the whole code, if you want a separate video like that or so, comment. Like you guys don't comment, man. It does not. It feels really bad. And today is my birthday, so I want it as my gift. Like I want at least 20 likes. I think I can ask for at least 20 likes, right? Not this, but image. I'm gonna hurry this thing. I'm running out of my time. So image. So real image equals to. Then we are gonna pass on some parameters to a random crop function that we just created recently. Input image, which is gonna be our input image. Then our real image. Crop them both. I'm gonna say if, and over here. Okay, I actually forgot to write one more thing. That was just copy this thing, paste, say resize, input image. So it didn't resize it. So we created a resize function. Now we're gonna say set the height and width to 286 and 286. That's why we initialized our image and image height and image width variables to crop image variables, and we then convert that into stat. Because I haven't completed the function, let me just complete this real quick. tf.random and then uniform is greater than 0.5. Random mirroring, I'm gonna mirror this, input image. Oh, sorry for that. tf.image. Come on, what's wrong with you? Flip left. Yeah. Okay, left and right. So I'm gonna flip it from left and right and left, to both of them, input and the real image. Why, you may ask? Wait. Image equals to tf.image.flip left, right, and the real image. Then I of course return real image. You must have predicted that what I'm gonna write, so it's gonna be input image and real image. Please don't show me any errors. Okay. Then now we're gonna plot this. So plt dot figure. So figure size will be, this will be displayed on a computer. This should be like around 6 equals to 6. Okay, that's done. Then we need for I in range 4. We have rj and talks rj, and then we need the random jitter input, comma, random jitter for input image and a real goes to random random jitter function we just created right over here. We'll refer that. We'll say imp and we have created this also. Let me show where. Right over here. Okay, so now what I need is plt dot subplot 2 I plus 1. These are parameters of plotting. So yeah, I'm show. Then I will show randomness of input image divided by 255.0 or just 255, whatever you want. Just try out, try play with those numbers and see what result you would get. Off. I will show this. plt.show. plt. Please don't show me any errors. Of course, why won't you? Convert code. What do you want? What's the problem? Okay. So okay. Most probably we have some sort of a problem in random jitter function. Okay, let's see what is it. So random jitter input image. Okay. Got real image. We got resized it. Image real image. Looks good to me. Input and real image. Random crop. Input and real. Okay, looks good to me. Keep random uniform. Then random mirroring. Image. Flip left right. Input image. Real image. Okay, this is confusing. This should not supposed to happen. Okay, let's change this. So let me just check my another notebook where I experimented this. So let's see what it says. Same thing. I didn't I? To add that minus one thing. Oh, should be outside the parentheses. Oh yeah, sorry. Yep. Now it should be good to go. Now what? I can't find the error, so I'm just gonna copy and paste this function, like what I created earlier in my own personal notebook. Paste. Resource image is not defined. Where is it? Manager. Okay, so yeah, resource. It's just resource. Okay. So here we are. So you may you had a question, I guess. Like you might have got this question: why are we flipping it left and right? A problem with just left, particularly left mapping. Why do we need to do a right mapping? See, the thing is over here. What if when you add the features of using the reference of your real image, it needs a reference of left and right too, right? If you just like these yellow windows, just put it on your right side. Okay, that's cool. What if you wanna? So it will make the same design as real image. It won't be different. You wanna make it different. You wanna make it something unique, which does not exist in the dataset. So that's why we just flip it to a left also, just to get the another mapping to feed into a network, so that a network could create new sort of features, like just to add new features to that map. That's why we flip this. So I think that was it. I think I should stop today for today. I've done a lot. Let's start this. Save this. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more AI programming videos. Like even I'm a student, I'm learning. Don't expect me to do a professional level of programming. Even I'm learning, so I will make some few mistakes through the whole through the video. So yeah, that was it. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and happy flying, happy programming, and stay tuned. I'll be back with another video. Star Chaudhary signing out.